Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about DatePicker. So if I go back, I will not do any additional work. I just will work the template for time picker. So if you go here, you will see there is a data picker. So let me take this time picker and we'll add instead of DatePicker. It's same of time picker, but it's different layout, different design. Yes, if you see, here is it. Here is my DatePicker. Now I want to do some change. If you see, it's data picker. So on the pop-up, I have to do some change. I have to define a data picker, not time picker. Then also when I initialize data picker, I make sure I having some naming convention. So where's the name? Name is data. Let me name it DP1, data picker 1. So I have to go back here and I will name it data picker 1. Now that's what I could get from the data picker. There's number of properties that getting here. Okay. Get here, I think. Yes, get here. You could get here. You could get month. You could also get day. Okay, data picker, time picker, or data picker dot tp dot get day of week, or yes, day of week. Day of month. Now yes, I have everything. I will not change anymore, just I'm changing this part and everything will work fine. If I go back, this is my layout or my fragment, dialog fragment. If I go back to here, you will see everything same. I will not change anything in my design. So when I click on now, I should have same thing. I should not see any problem. See, here is it. This is I select the day, then when select it, it give you the date. Thank you for watching and see you next.